Hi friends, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today, we are making chicken kofta curry. That's so tender, it practically melts before it hits the plate. We are talking silky gravy, infused spices, and meatballs that are light as air. If you've been looking for that restaurant-style secret, you just found it. Ingredients are as follows. Chicken keema, 250 grams. Onions, 2. Cream. Black pepper. Garam masala. Green chili paste. Cashew paste. In a bowl add keema. Add garam masala. Add green chili paste. Ginger garlic paste. Butter. Salt to taste. Black pepper. Mix all the ingredients. Shape the keema mix nice and round. In a pan add oil with some butter. Now add your koftas in the pan and fry until golden brown. Once your koftas are golden in color, take them off heat. Just look at that color. That's exactly what we're aiming for. A perfect crust that locks all those juices inside. Now let's make a curry. For that add some oil in a pan. Add diced onions. Add cashews. Green chilies as per your preference. Cook until onions are soft and all the flavors are in. This is how it should look before grinding the mix. Cool down your ingredients a little before blending. And now it's time to create a fine paste. In a pan add little oil, onions, ginger garlic paste and sauté them. Add the gravy mix in the pan. Add black pepper. Salt to taste. Add fresh cream and curd. Once gravy is cooked and oil is separated, add fried koftas. After a gentle sear, these koftas simmer in a velvety blend of cashews and aromatic whole spices. Add some water for gravy consistency. Cover the lid and cook until koftas are soft. Add some kasuri methi at end. And there it is, velvety, royal, and incredibly tender. Just look at how juicy that stays inside. Pair it with some hot naan, and you've got the perfect dinner. Give this one a try, and let me know what you think.